Hey Charm Squad, this is Envy. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can know when I upload new videos. Today is just going to be a short tutorial on how I did my candy floss clouds that Mama Does Nails likes to call them with my roses and bling set. So let's go ahead and get into it. Starting with the Acrygel light pink, which is my favorite color Acrygel. You guys, just so you know, I did cut out a lot of the duplicate parts, or oh, there you see me watching Mama Does Nails video. So I did cut out a lot of the duplicate parts, so you'll see me do something once, and you'll see my pinky's already done. And what happened was what happened was the camera was not recording on that bit. So then when I saw that it wasn't recording, obviously I stopped. I might have been a little bit distracted watching my sister's video, so I didn't see until I had already done my whole pinky. Anyway, so here's my index finger, and you'll see I'm just doing the Acrygel solid color on my index on my pinky, and then I will take the Acrygel and I will do almond shaped nail beds on my ring finger, my middle finger, and my thumb. And so I'll let you guys see that, and I'll be back.
Make it feel fine even when it's not fair. I play my part. Why can't you just play yours? This is just so typical. I'm sick of love. We're never shaking enough to run from what feels wrong. I'm sick of love, but not enough to stop. Can't stop. Can't stop.
Okay guys, so once I get done with the almond shape on the thumb, of course I'm going to wipe it with alcohol, cure it, wipe it with alcohol, and then I'm going to file and shape it just to sharpen up the edges before I start the next part. After I do this, you guys, I do the same thing, same file and shape on the ring finger and the middle finger, and then right here you guys are going to see me taking out all the colors to get ready to do the layered French.
I wanna get close. We a little wild war, covered in tattoos. Run it up, taking all the views. Stepping on place, feeling the fear. I know you feeling it in the air. Whole squad wearing all black. Motivation's looking real bad. We back to the bone, raising a fire alone. We ain't never needed nobody. Give me 6 feet, this is my party. Ain't got no feelings, we heartless. Take a peek inside the darkness. Blow up the spot, then we run it. Ready or not, here we coming. Somebody better say a prayer for me. Tonight may get a little crazy.
Okay guys, so there I took out the clear Acrygel, and then I'm going to use a little detail brush. I'm going to go ahead and make whatever shape you want in the color paint. So in the gel you're going to take it, and I did a smaller, like a wavier pattern. You see I forgot to do the right side of my thumb. Don't worry, we're going to fix it. Anyway, so you're going to put your color as dark as you want it. And then whatever shape you want, you're going to make sure that you fill up against the wall. And then there you see me putting the white down as well. So then what you're going to do is, once you do that, and I will do this in 2 separate steps, but like I said, so then you're going to see me, I'm going to take the clear and actually use the orange wood stick for that, because that's the video I saw for my inspiration, was actually on the Red Iguana page, and I was like, oh, they were doing it with Builder Gel, but I was like, oh, I can do this with Acrygel. So in any case, you're going to put the Acrygel over the colored part. Again, if you do it in a shape, that's fine too. If you want to do wavy or pointy or whatever you want to do, you just want to make sure that you cover the color with the clear. And again, you can use Acrygel, you can use Polygel, you can use Builder Gel, whichever way that you want to do it. You're just going to cover up the gel polish that you just used with clear, and then you're going to cure it, you're going to wipe it, and then you're going to file it to sharpen it up, and then you're going to do it again with the next color. So you're just going to keep repeating these steps, and then you guys will see me, I'm just going to keep repeating those steps. So I do it with all the colors, and then once I'm done, I just repeat those steps on the middle and the ring finger, except I did rotate the colors a little different on those 2 nails, because I just wanted it to be a pattern. So I started with the blue and the green on my ring finger instead of the pink and purple like I do on my middle finger, and the white I actually only use on my thumb.
This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones I made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. Showed up. Day one before the glow up. Don't need to ask for them to show love. Don't need to ask for them to show love. Show love. Izquierda pa derecha, dale bien pacha. Yo quiero que tú bailes, dale sin parar. Todo mundo, hey, quiero vacilar. Shake it, bake it, take it, and I'll throw it right back. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to know me. Lights down low, I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping, everybody is talking. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. Showed up. Day one before the glow up. Don't need to ask for them to show love. Don't need to ask for them to show love. Show love. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to know me. Lights down low, I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping.
So here you guys are going to see me start with the white on my middle finger, but I actually changed my mind as I look at it, and then I decide to go with pink and purple instead to eliminate the white, because I feel like it's not needed. So then you see I do the pink on the one side, and then I go in with the purple.
This is for my day one. Day one. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to know me. Lights down low, I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping, everybody is talking. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya.
Okay guys, so we're getting into the repetitive steps, so I do just show you guys how I lay the bottom colors, and then poof, like magic, they're all done. So that's how they came out. I am showing you guys now how I put on my roses and my gems, and I will show you on my index finger how I laid them, and then I just repeated those steps on the
Let it
pink.
be known, I'm working hard when I ain't on the phone. This ain't a home, this ain't a phone. Grind never stopping, I'm keeping it cold. Unlocking the door with the holy key. You supposed to be this close to me, and hopefully you understand G.O.D. Maybe this cold and I'm talking like no degrees. This ain't a fluke, I seen it way before it ever happened. He gave me the view. I had to put in my time on the TV, it coming in soon. I couldn't leave it all up to a variant or an experience. You gotta get up and do what it do. So complicated, homie, it's you. Always gonna wait until you in the mood. I've been running, came out gunning, stopped the fronting on your word. It's what you hear, not what you heard. I'ma hate on every verb. I'ma show you what it's worth. Every day I'm on the earth till they put me in the dirt. I'ma get into it first. Said I'ma get into it first. Until they put me in the dirt. Said I'ma get into it first. Said I'ma get into it. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. I can't break, that's the thing about me. I won't put these goals on freeze. You cannot stop me, I mean this spinach and broccoli. Termination like I'm Rocky, lift the heavy, no spot please. Body back a beating and I get away scotch-free. And I'ma take control, unbreakable. I sense the face, the shakes is cold, the grace is more. Plus it's really the motivation, so it's thank you so. Put that's on my neck, hard work on my breath. The easy road taking the left, it's on my chest. No time for regrets, faith in the Jimmy like Steph. Shooting is wet like clay, the party ain't maybe this way. I'm taking all of this left to the bank. I'ma deposit and see what it make. Shoot it, so it's reap. I paid a meter, I came in with Peter like Peter on water. I'm stepping in deeper, they know that I'm coming like follow the leader. I'm taking a chance today. Standing inside of the kitchen, I turn on the heater. I'm here to turn on my brothers and sisters and cousins and mothers until my believers get into it first.
Oh my gosh, guys, I totally forgot that the camera cut off while I was doing the pinky. I'm so sorry for that. So here, at least I get to the popular moment. So I remember to do that. I'm so sorry that my camera keeps going in and out. I really need to figure out why my camera goes and keeps getting out of frame. I guess I've already tried messing with the settings. We'll have to move on and look. The mermaid flakes are distracting. The camera can't handle it. Anyways, this is what the finished product on the layers looks like. I really like how they came out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish shiny top coating everything else, which you guys, after I did it, I thought, what if I would have done the solid colors in matte? Oh, anyways, next time. So here you guys see me doing my favorite cuticle gel. This is my favorite cuticle gel or cuticle oil, and then I like the way that it just soaks into your skin. So I go ahead and I do that on all the fingers, of course. Definitely don't need to be as careful as I'm being, obviously, because I'm shiny top coat, right? I'm used to wearing matte, however, so I always have to be super careful when I put on cuticle oil because I don't want it to mess up my nails. Anyway, so I go ahead and I realize that I'm doing shiny top coat, and I took that cuticle oil and I put it all over my hands. Because I love the way it smells. But these are the finished nails, and you guys, thank you so very much for hanging in there with me. I know this video cut out a lot, but I really just wanted to show you guys the main steps, which I did on the thumb, and then add a little bit in there for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so very much for watching with me. I will go ahead and let you guys go. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye.